Hello everyone, and this will be a continuation of our previous video of essentially trying to get the two least significant digits of an integer number and adding them up. So in this video, we will just demonstrate what happens if the integer that you put in fills up way more space than the integer variable. What happens when that happens, when the user does that? So first, I'm going to run the code as normal. I'm going to put in 1, 2, 3, 4, and if it works correctly, it should print out 7. If I put in 1, 2, 3, 1, 7, it should print out 8. If I put in 9, 8, 1, 2, 3, it should print out 5, right? Because 2 plus 3 is 5. But what happens if I put into the program a number way bigger than the integer value can hold? If I do that, you see we get some weird results, right? When we put in this number, we get -10, but we are only supposed to get 9. And as you can see, this is because the integer variable cannot hold such a big number. So you have to keep that in mind while coding, right? You have to think about what kind of variables are needed for certain functions within your program. So for example, if you need to hold, I don't know, maybe an ID that has numbers from 0, that has a number length of 23. It would be best to use a long rather than an integer, right? Something that can hold all those values. So keep that in mind while coding, that your code can be sometimes limited based on the input that it receives. So as a programmer, you need to be aware of this and code defensively, meaning that you need to be aware of certain situations that might happen or certain inputs that might not be so favorable for the computation that you are performing inside of your code. So yeah, just keep that in mind. Maybe find a way to, as a challenge, find a way to get around this. I guess modify the code in a way that could allow you to receive more than 10 digits, for example, and see if you could do that. One recommendation is essentially to use long integer, but yeah, this is just a disclaimer or just a reminder that as while coding, keep these things in mind because these things are possible when someone uses your code. So yeah, that will do it for this video. If you learned something new, please leave a like because it helps me reach more people, and I'll see you in the next video.